Meaning of enforcer.
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 Enforcer. An enforcer is a person or group responsible for enforcing rules or laws, typically in a coercive way. They may work for a variety of organizations, such as law enforcement agencies, security companies, or organized crime syndicates. Enforcers can use various tactics to ensure compliance, including physical force, intimidation, or extortion. The role of an enforcer is often viewed negatively, as they are often associated with violence and corruption. However, they may also be necessary in situations where rules must be enforced to maintain order and protect the public.